you want to be a slick Rick rocking up to car shows thinking you're all that, or maybe you're trying to shave off some lap times on your little track nights, well, today I'm Tom, this is the Pit Pony, we're talking about body kits, man, let's do it! I'm about to jump the speed to 30,000 feet. So there's two reasons as to why you need a body kit on your car. One, street application. Two, race application. There is an actual purpose, and there's a reason why we're throwing it on our car today. To shave some lap times. There is a significant increase, or decrease I should say, in your lap time as you go around with the downforce that is applied to a car, which is where spoilers, front splitters, and side skirts. You ever seen a car where it's like so slim to the ground? That's what we're going for here.
Oh yeah, because these installed fucking thousands of these. Go to try and make this awesome, but...
So what do we got right here? We've got a full E-Sick APR Performance body kit. We're talking splitters, we're talking spoilers, we're talking side skirts, we're talking these golf things that look like a driver. I don't know what it is, but it looks sick and it reminds me of my days playing Need for Speed Underground 2. My dreams are coming to life and I love every single moment of it. Now, what's the reason that we picked APR? Well, for starters, APR Performance is one of the only brands out there that's actually wind tunneled. So all this right here is scientifically tested and proven to work. It's why you see this kit on so many World Time Attack cars. And now we're gonna do the exact same thing to the Pit Pony. It's gonna look sick, man, and it's gonna shave some seconds off our time. With proof. I have evidence of that. So, what do we need to do right now? Well, we need to rip off the old STI body kit. Then we need to install it with our man Tommo down at MSR Performance to install our new APR body kit. So, let's do it. What do you think? Looks pretty cool, right? I don't know about you, but I didn't honestly expect it to turn out the way it did, but I think we did a pretty good job, to be honest. We got the front splitter, we got the golf inserts, we got the side skirts, we've got the rear quarter, and then we've got the spoiler as well. I think it looks absolutely gnarly. So, is it expensive to install a body kit? Well, yeah, sometimes it is. In the case of us and what we went with for APR Performance, we needed this because it's going to help us set better track times for what we're doing. If you don't want to go down the really expensive route, that is also fine. You don't have to buy entire kits. You can do it one piece at a time. Or if you have a Subaru and you just want to look at maybe doing something just a little bit more on the cheaper side, you can come look on our website. ABW Motorsport sorts out Subarus far and wide if you're looking for a body kit there. Or maybe you want to try one of our own carbon fiber PSR body kits. If you're an 86 or a BRZ owner, we do make those as well. So go check it out. So in the case of APR Performance body kits, yeah, look, you can look at anywhere between 8 to 10 grand for a body kit for your car. If you're looking at ABW, you're looking at anywhere from sort of 2 to the 5,000 mark. If you're looking just for body kits in general, there's enough stuff out there on the internet for a bracket for yourself. Now remember, if you're driving on the street, you probably don't need something as aggressive that you would find on the track. If you are looking to do some track stuff and you're looking to get a little bit more serious in your lap times, I can't recommend APR Performance enough in terms of what they do. It's proven and tested. You got to do it. So was it easy to install? Yes and no. Here's why. Yes, it was because we had a hoist and we also had an absolute legend, Tommo, helping us fit it. And it was easy because he had the right tools and the hoist to do the job. So you have to remember that when it comes to carbon fiber body kits, or perhaps maybe body kits in general to a car, you've got to take all the old stuff off and put the new stuff on, which requires maybe drilling some holes, getting some fittings done, and you also got to make sure that you are getting kits that do come with all the right parts as well. In the case of APR Performance, it came with everything we needed, which is great. Having that type of stuff, I'm not saying you necessarily have to have a professional to do it. They will certainly do the job way quicker than a home job, but in the case of what we wanted to do, it was so much easier taking it to Tommo and getting it done. We knocked this out in pretty much just a matter of a few hours. The spoiler was definitely tricky, but I can't recommend more than more than 3 people maybe to do that job. If you are looking to do this from home, is it possible? Yeah, it is possible, and I know it's possible because when we had to wrap the car, I had to take the body kit off on the floor. So I only knew how to do it, and I did it well and maybe perhaps quicker than normal because I put the body kit on with Tommo. So I had a little bit of helping hand that way, but at the same time, is it possible to do at home? Yes, it is. It just requires a lot of elbow grease. Otherwise, perhaps maybe it's better borrowing a hoist or actually going to a shop to get it done. So is it all worth it? Short answer, yep. It's carbon fiber, and I get to live out my dreams in real life instead of sitting at home playing Need for Speed Underground 2. It's right here, and I've got it, and it's great. For what we want to do, yeah, like we want to set some better lap times, so getting some really good aero for your car can actually make a pretty good dramatical effect on the car. So yeah, I can't recommend it enough. If you're on the street and you're just doing it for looks, man, there's plenty of options out there for you. If you need help getting a body kit for your car, maybe you should just give us a call. Or you can go to our website, www.prospeedracing.com.au, and you can just hit me up. So I hope you took a lot of value out of this episode. I certainly really enjoyed putting this episode together. The car looks amazing. If you're looking for a body kit for your car, you need to give us a call, or you can head to our website, prospeedracing.com.au. If you want to follow us on socials, you can follow this journey. You can follow us at ProSpeed Racing on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube. You can find us all there and watch all the content that we produce. Until next time, when we start talking about wraps.